is Traveling Charlie. I got my Ingersoll Rand 2235 TiMAX in the mail yesterday. We're going to see if it'll take off a 2001 Honda Accord. There goes the compressor. With the compressor running, 2001 Honda Accord 3.0 V6 crankshaft pulley bolt. This is the test of all tests. Let's see what it does. No sweat. Hey, this is Traveling Charlie. I have my new Ingersoll Rand 2235 TiMAX, and I'm going to put it to the ultimate test today. I believe this crankshaft bolt has never been taken off with this 2011 Honda Pilot 3.5 with only 80,000 miles on it. So this will be the true test. Let's see what happens. It did it. I'm proud of this gun. This is probably the best gun to get. Adios, muchachos. Hope that helps somebody make their decision. I'm not convinced about the Hellcat. That's what I would name it. I believe it's called the Aircat 1150. Because I don't like the fact that it stops spinning after you release a trigger. And I don't like the fact that it has a hair trigger where it's either on or off. I like to be able to control the feather of my trigger, and I believe that the Ingersoll Rand will outlast it. Honestly do. Not that's, not to say the Aircat may take this off, but I watched one video with a guy using his iPhone, and I can tell a weak sounding gun, and that 1150 in that particular video sounded like a weak sounding gun. If you ever used guns like these before, impact wrenches, you know what I'm talking about. Adios, muchachos. Hope this helps somebody.
Ingersoll Rand 2235 TiMAX, 1/2 inch, and a Tecton 33mm 3/4 with the 1/2 inch to 3/4 adapter.